Hey guys, welcome to this video, and in today's lesson we're going to learn and talk about the two different ways to play the bass tone on the cajon. So the first way, the most common way, is what I call the flat palm method. You play it with your palm flat. The second way, which is not a very common way, is what I call the forward finger method. You cup your hands like this and you use the tip of your fingers to play the bass tone. So both ways are excellent techniques of playing the bass tone on your cajon. But as with everything in life, each has its own pros and cons. Let's first talk about the flat palm method. It's got a bolder sound, rounder, warmer, and louder. You use the meat of your palm to strike the cajon to create the bass tone. And now the forward finger method. You simply cup your hand like this and you use the tips of your fingers to strike the cajon. In the beginning, the tips of your fingers might hurt while you strike the cajon. If it's painful, take a break. The sound created by the forward finger method is more acute, precise, and thinner. Now let's talk about speed. Although the flat palm has got a bigger sound, it's harder to play faster beyond a certain speed. Let me show you what I mean. We'll use the forward finger method first. Now let's try the same thing with the flat palm method. As you can see, I was struggling right there with the flat palm method. The reason is with the forward finger method, we use our wrist as the pivot. But with the flat palm method, we're using our shoulder. So a bigger joint like the shoulder makes it harder to go faster, while a smaller joint like the wrist makes it easier to make quicker movements. So while I was trying to play that same speed with the flat palm method, although I could manage that speed, it was getting a little difficult. And if I were to continue playing at that tempo and playing those sextuplets, it would have been very strenuous for me. While with the forward finger method, it was easier because I was using my wrist joint. So the advantage of using the forward finger method is that you can go faster, but you'll sound softer because you're only using the tips of your fingers to play the bass tone. And while the flat palm method is louder and bolder, you can only go so fast. I hope you enjoyed the video. Do drop me any comments or questions if you have any. I'll be more than happy to answer them. So I'll see you in the next video. Keep drumming and have a beautiful day. Bye bye.